Hello traders, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing well. So today I'm going to share with Forex best strategy. In this video I'm revealing the best Forex trading strategy. But first we open GBP USD in H4 time frame. So this strategy we need two indicator. First 9-period EMA. And second 21-period EMA. If 9-period EMA cross below 21-period EMA, it means bearish trend. Then market retesting EMA and cross below 9-period EMA, then we take the sell position. Here is sell signal confirmation. Now we place sell trade here. We set stop loss candle high point. Set profit target 1:2. We won this trade. If 9-period EMA cross above 21-period EMA, it means bullish trend. Then market retesting EMA and cross above 9-period EMA, then we take her buy position. Here is buy signal confirmation. Now we place buy trade here. We set stop loss candle low point. Set profit target 1:2. We won this trade. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.